Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome. This is Julben Fish Academy, and today we are here for a treatment video. This catfish you see here is about 5 months old. Yeah, 5 months with some few weeks old, and he's suffering from a terrible bacterial infection. You know, you can look at this part of his pectoral fin. If you look at how injured it is, and you also have part of his flesh pulling out here. I think this one was as a result of his peers trying to eat him up. Then you also have some terrible injuries around his body here. Oh, this is not just funny. Oh, crazy, man. Alright, this early morning I was trying to change water, so being attentive as usual, I got to discover all these problems, and I had to fight to make sure that I bring him out of the pond. And this is one of the reasons why it is very important as a fish farmer. Oh, Sharon, I understand you don't want me to touch you, okay? Now, this is why it's very important as a fish farmer to always be very much attentive. By the time you are able to figure out when your fish is sick, you would hardly get a case of a dead fish around you. Hardly. This fish weighs over 1 kg as we speak, and he is sick. Allowing him in this state now will cost his life in less than a week. So we are going to administer our treatment, and the treatment will be purely salt. Yes, table salt is what we are going to use for his treatment. And the table salt we are talking about is sodium chloride, what we use for, cooking at home. All forms of treatment administered in Julben Fish Academy is purely natural. We don't use any form of chemical to treat our fish, and that is why when you taste our fish, they are usually very much exceptional. Now, this fish is suffering here. I will take him out of here, isolate him in his pond where he will receive his treatment for some couple of days, and I'll keep you posted on how his treatment goes. Alright, let's isolate him. Alright, this is going to be the isolation pond for him where he will receive his special treatment. Oh, sorry bro. Ouch. Alright, here he is. Now this water is without any form of solution. It's pure water, okay? There is no solution in this water, no chemical, nothing. It's just normal water you have from your borehole. So what we're going to do right now is to get table salt to administer this treatment proper. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Boom. Now here is our table salt. Don't mind me, I'm using blue band. Yeah, inside this blue band you find table salt. So now the treatment is as follows. What we need to do is to get your spoon. Now the quantity of salt you put is very much determinant, or let me say depends on the quantity of water you have. Now if you take a good look at my water calibration here, this tank is calibrated about let's say what we have here is I don't know if you can see very clearly, there is 65. That means the water level is at 60. Yeah, just take a good look. All right, beautiful. So at 60. Now this is exactly 60 liters of water you find in this particular pond. Now this is a calibrated pond, okay? You can find them in the market. It's not that expensive. Now 60 liters, and this 60 liters of water can take about 3 spoons of salt. Now a teaspoon of salt is made up of 4.2 grams. A teaspoon of salt is 4.2 grams. So once you have them, this is a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to pour. I will purposely do that very close to him so that it can start work as soon as possible. That's one. I'm going to take another one. That's 2. It's quite painful, I understand. Sorry bro, but you are going to be fine in no distant time. Then we take the third one. Boom. And that is the third. Sorry bro, it's a very painful treatment. Sorry, I understand your pain. Sorry. Don't worry, you're gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine soon. Alright, so having administered this treatment, we allow the fish to remain in this tank for the next 2-3 days, and then I'm going to show you the progress on how this treatment goes like. You can see how fresh his wounds are. Oh, this bacterial infection is really horrible. You want to take away this 1 point something kg from me. doesn't know that this is money. I'm a catfish farmer, so a business entrepreneur. I believe in agriculture, so I look at money than the fish. But then I'm also passionate about their lives. I love them and I prefer treating them each time they are sick. Alright, so let's see what happens in the next 24 hours. Boom.